Hello and welcome back to Innoven Foods. Today we are baking something super cute and soft, mini Suji cake in an Appe Pan. No oven, no hassle, just fluffy, bite-sized cakes your kids will absolutely love. In a bowl, take 1 cup semolina or suji, 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well. Suji or semolina has been used in Indian dessert for hundreds of years. Now add half cup curd, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix until smooth. Pour in 1/4 cup ghee and mix again. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Now add half cup milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Place an Appe pan over a frying pan. Grease each mold with a little oil. Pour the batter into each section. Appe pans were originally designed for South Indian snacks like paniyaram. You can even add tiny choco chips or dry fruits to make this more exciting. Don't overfill the appe molds. The cakes rise beautifully. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. Suji is rich in iron and protein, great for growing kids. Kids love mini version of foods. It makes them more fun to eat. These cakes are made with curd and ghee, both healthy for digestion. No maida, no butter, just simple homemade goodness. Perfect healthy treat for tiffin or evening snacks. Soft golden mini Suji cakes are ready. Light, fluffy and perfect for snack time. Easy to make, healthy to eat and loved by kids of all ages. Would you like to see a chocolate version of this mini cake next? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innoven Foods for more fun and easy recipes made with love.